Hey guys, what is up? Jeff here. I want to do a short little video. I'm getting ready to start the 2024 Katy Trail bike tour video series. The first video I want to do is I'm going to show you guys what I'm taking, what I've got all packed. You watch my past videos of what I've packed. I've slimmed down quite a bit. We'll go check it out. Okay guys, here we are. We'll start on the left. Got a Star River Nature Hike 2-man tent. I normally use a 1-man tent, but I wanted a little bit more room, so I upgraded to the 2-man. Climate pillow there. Climate Static V. Got a sleeping bag liner. A couple of the nights are kind of going to be chilly, so I got me a real thin sleeping bag. This here's all the on-bike clothes. Got socks, 2 shirts, and 2 bibs. Next is my tool selection. 2 inner tubes, an air pump, CO2, tire levers, multi-tool. Then over to the first aid. Got a first aid kit. This here's a water filter. Got the thermocell in case I encounter some mosquitoes. Magellan rain jacket. That's just a bag of personal hygiene stuff. I got a small skillet, just probably about an 8-inch skillet. I'm gonna get this titanium cook pot here. That's my stove there. Folds up, packs up real neat. Just got a spork and a long spoon. Can opener. 2 cans of gas. 1 for my stove and 1 for the thermocell. Selfie stick. That's my handlebar mount. New this trip is the DJI Drone Mini 2. Got 4 batteries, a couple charging cords, and 2 power supplies. That's pretty much it. And if you guys look at my gear setup from 2001, this is probably less than half of what I took. So I'm doing pretty good. Starting to slim down a little bit. If you like this little video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you would add or take away. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.